yesterday, Sensor told me if I get 50 likes on my video, he'll stream Minecraft with me. Like, how many likes did I have to get for you to stream Minecraft?
What is going on, guys? It is Matthew bringing another YouTube video today. It's day 3 finally of Call of Duty Championships. This is the last championship Sunday for a while, bro. Like, Black Ops 4 is basically over after this. So today we're gonna go to the event. The event ends around like 4 today, just cause there's only like 5 or 6 matches. So hopefully we get to watch all of them. We actually have some stuff we have to take care of, so we'll probably show up to the 100 Thieves match probably a little bit after the first map, hopefully as soon as possible. But I mean, we gotta do what we gotta do. But right now it's like 8:20. I'm so tired, bro. This is the 3rd night in a row. I've only gotten like 3 hours of sleep. It's really shitty, but like finally fixed my Premiere Pro, and after I managed to fix it, I just stayed up and edited the day 1 vlog, so that's up. By the time this is up, the day 2 vlog will be up. So if y'all want to see me live stream Minecraft with Phase Sensor, make sure you go drop a like on that video, because once that hits 50 likes, I'm gonna be live streaming with Phase Sensor. It's gonna be freaking lit. But before the video like starts and everything, make sure you drop a like on this video. Also, make sure you subscribe, and let's go to the event. All right, boys, we made it. We made it. Some slight. It's day 3, Championship Sunday. We're at UCLA right now. I'm hyped, and 100 Thieves is gonna win today. 100 Thieves is gonna get their first ring. For sure. That's gonna be hype. For sure. It's gonna be 100 Thieves, Optic, or United. Hopefully it's not Optic, because I really don't like Optic. But I like Hex, but that's about it. Alright, boys, there's people running up these stairs. We're about to go. We got into the venue, so we're about to go down to the main stage. And I saw Jackson from 100 Thieves when I was walking in, so shout out to him, bro. He's a legend. And I was low-key burnt, because I saw him at the Fortnite World Cup. But I couldn't really like talk to him because he was on the other side of the fence. And he said we blink at COD champs, so like we low-key did blink at COD champs. It was pretty lit. And so now we're just gonna, who's playing right now? Oh, nobody's playing right now. The first match starts in like 3 minutes, so it's gonna be lit. We're gonna watch that. 100 Thieves is playing. So yeah, let's get this bread. 100 Thieves, let's fucking do it. Y'all, 100 Thieves. They're literally about to take map 1. They need 3 seconds in the hill. Bro, I'm hyped. Bro, their crowd is freaking hyped right now. It's pretty lit. Pretty lit. Oh, they got other end. Hey, that's map 1. We'll take it. Let's go. 100 Thieves, map 1. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We got the boy Crowder going to talk to him. Hell yeah. The legend. Oh my god. Alright, 1-0 against Reciprocity right now. Let's get it. I'm hyped. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. 100 Thieves just took map 2. It was 5-2, I believe. So I'm hyped, bro. 100 Thieves moving on. And then Crowder going back again. Bro, it's so late here. And bro, it's too late. It's gonna be 10:30 in the morning, bro. It feels like it's so much later. This shit felt lit. My boys get a 3-on Reciprocity. That'd be hype. Bro, I actually called it, bro. I said like earlier, I said Reciprocity, bro. Like they just been getting like dumb luckies. Oh shit. My boys pull it up. Hell yeah. The legend. Hell yeah. I'm killing it, bro. Hell yeah, that's hype, bro. Alright, they got this, bro. 100 Thieves about to get this hot 3-0. Let's fucking get it. Alright, yo. My homie just hooked me up with a pair of A20s. This is my first pair of Astros, so I don't know how these shits work. I'm gonna figure it out, though. I gotta get this man in the vlog, bro. He's a freaking legend. Shout out to this man for hooking me up with the Astros. You know, I got the solid hookup, bro. Yo, Nick, this event definitely paid off, bro. Facts. We're getting our money's worth. Bro, I gotta get my man in the video, bro. Hey, bro, what's your name? Hey, Brian. Brian, say what's up to the vlog, bro. What's up, boys? I appreciate the Astros, bro. All day. 100 Thieves about to get this 3-0. Let's go, run it up. Hell yeah. All right, boys. We came up to the top. So we're watching it from up here now. It's pretty lit. So I'd encourage Jackson, all them. They're sitting down there, so I'll probably catch them when they pull up. Right here we got Maven and Merc, I believe. Pretty lit.
Bro, that's crazy. How they just be commentating like that. I can't be talking on the spot. I mean, I can, but like it's so hard. Especially talking over something that's happening. They're like telling a story as it's happening. That's wild. So like mad respect to them. Yo, but like hopefully I get cleared when he's coming up. Gotta be lit. But yeah, wish me luck. Alright boys. 100 Thieves just dropped map 3. It was control, they lost 2-1. It's good though, we got a hard point. We literally just like shit on them in hard point. So I'm not worried, bro. We're about to get this dub. Alright y'all, looks like 100 Thieves about to take this map. I'm gonna get up, we'll walk around. We're chilling right now. It's 243 to 103. Oh my god, bro. Bro, they're all doing like crazy shit right now. 49, 250, hell yeah, 3-1. Over reciprocity, bro. It's crazy, yo. I'm hyped. Let's get it.
Good.
How you feeling?
Feeling good, man. I'm ready for a fun day.
Ready for a Minecraft stream?
I wish I was playing Minecraft right now.
Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
It's a stretch, right? Yesterday, it's a stretch.
But
So yesterday, Sensor told me if I get 50 likes on my video, he'll stream Minecraft with me. So like, how many likes would I have to get for you to stream Minecraft?
150,000.
150,000?
Yeah.
We're making it happen. Alright boys, 100 Thieves. They're playing E6 now on the B stage. Not the main stage, like the second stage. They're on the way. First map, 250 to 217. If they can get this coming up, hell yeah. Get it. That's high from. So they got 2 maps, so they gotta close this shit out. Then after this, they play, if they win, they play the loser of United versus Optic Gaming, so that's gonna be a tough back. That'll be 3 series back to back, brothers. Optic's about to take map 2, 3-1. Let's go, bro, let's go. Hell yeah. Wait, what's map count? 1-1, it's 1-1 right now. E6 took hard point, 100 Thieves took Search. We're chilling right now, bro. It's lit. It's a good series so far. Alright, yo, I was tripping, so it turned out it was actually 2-0. I don't know why I thought 100 Thieves lost the hard point. They definitely won that shit. They actually destroyed them in hard point. That's awkward. It's good though. We're about to start off on control.
We gotta talk about this, man, right?
Yo, let's get this raw. If they win this, I'm gonna be dumb hype. That'll be like crazy, bro. This is like the longest losing bracket run I've ever seen. It's ridiculous. Alright boys, 100 Thieves about to get this 3-0 real quick. 2, 1. Let's go, bro. And 3-0. 100 Thieves just got 3-0. Or no, TG just got 3-0. 100 Thieves out here. It's lit. Now we're gonna wait for whoever wins between E United and Optic, and then the loser of that match plays 100 Thieves. So it's gonna be lit. Let's fucking wait, bro. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. 100 Thieves playing Optic right now. It's really about to start, bro. This shit is crazy. Whoever loses this match goes home. Whoever wins this goes to grand finals against E United. So that's gonna be a really crazy game. I'm hyped for this shit. I'll keep y'all updated. This is crazy. Alright, boys. 100 Thieves about to take map 1. We got, hell yeah, get this, 244 to 201 right now against Optic Gaming on Seaside Hardpoint. This is crazy. Kryptix calling it a hellstorm. He just wasted that. Hell yeah. Alright, I do believe 100 Thieves has spawns. That's game. That's game. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 100 Thieves, play up, bro. Hell yeah. Bro, I just love like all the Optic bandwagons, bro. They're like pissed right now. Bro, just seeing all these Optic fans disappointed is like making my day. Like, I love it, bro. Shout out to 100 Thieves, bro. They out here doing big things, shitting on Optic. Now we about to take Search, bro, because nobody can beat 100 Thieves in Search. And then we're gonna take the control, because Optic just got shit on in control against United, apparently. Bro, I'm hyped. It's about to be a quick 3-0 against Optic Gaming. Let's fucking get this. 2v1. Shit, let's go. This is it. This is it. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Run it up, baby! Hell yeah. Hell yeah. think Karma dropped a donut that game. I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, this is what we've all been waiting for. I think it's time for Optic to go home. Thank God, bro. Oh my God, these Optic fans, they're crazy. 10-12, life count right now. 100 Thieves is up 2-0. Oh, it's even now, 10-10. 4-3. Oh, he pulled his Tempest out. It's 2v1. Optic go home, bro. Optic go home. Optic go home. Goodbye. Bye-bye. 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 Bro, let's fucking go. 100 Thieves is 3-0 Optic. Alright, y'all. So, 100 Thieves versus United in the grand finals. 100 Thieves has to win 2 best-of-5s to win the championship, bro. It's crazy. And they just 3-0'd Optic, bro. Oh my God, bro. This is crazy. If they win, it'll be like the longest streak ever, probably. They've been down since losers bracket. It's crazy, bro. This story is crazy. I'm hyped.
Bracket run in Call of Duty history. The back-to-back champions earlier this year. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for 100 Thieves! They have their toughest opponents yet. They are the reigning champions heading into the Call of Duty World League Championships. And now they're pushing for the title of back-to-back champions. They've got veterans, they've got young talent. Well, they've got the twins. Ladies and gentlemen,
Crazy. I better get this though. I'm gonna be really upset if they come this far and lose. I'll still be proud, obviously, but bro, hey, if you come this far to lose bracket, you gotta win, bro. Like, there's no other option. Alright, boys. 100 Thieves dropped map 1. Now it's searched. I think 100 Thieves can get this easily. 100 Thieves is the best search team. 100 Thieves has a better search record. But I mean, honestly, like map 1, they were just getting outgunned. I mean, Spawn weren't really on their side either, but I mean, it is what it is.
Able to stay up, retrieving ground.
Hopefully we get the search. I'll keep going. Alright, boys. Looks like 100 Thieves took that too. Search and destroy, 6-3. Let's get this shit right. Now we got control, and then they got to come back and win that hard point, and then we got to start another best-of-5 series. And then 100 Thieves out of 3-0 United, bro. Just wait. I'm so excited, bro. This is so lit. The crowd is crazy, yo. Oh my God. Y'all got to be here, bro. This is crazy. Let's go! Let's go! 100 Thieves just took control, bro. That shit was crazy, bro. Oh my God. Alright, 2-1 in the series. 100 Thieves got to win one more map. Go to another best-of-5, bro. This shit's crazy. I'm hyped. Bro. Oh my God. It came down to a 2v1. That was ridiculous. not letting him in. Alright y'all, so we're waiting, bro. I'm waiting for Nate Shot. I gotta talk to him. I gotta propose 2 cases of White Claws. So we're just gonna wait. I talked to his videographer. That was pretty lit. Shout out to him, man. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait. I'll keep y'all updated. I'm so tired, bro. It's only 4 o'clock, and I really want to go to sleep, but it is what it is, bro. So yeah, I'll see y'all soon. I'll keep y'all updated. I was walking out, and MLG was like just giving out like big ass like prints or whatever. So I got 2 for the crib. That shit's about to look sick. And yeah, the event's over. That's kind of upsetting. 100 Thieves lost. It is what it is, though. Any words?
I mean, no disrespect to any of the other teams, even with anything we might have said before, but everyone played pretty well, especially 100 Thieves. Gotta give a quick shout out to all of them because, I mean, to go that far in a loser's bracket, I mean, against all odds, let's be honest, that's pretty impressive.
Pretty fucking tough.
That was impressive.
No, honestly, that's like what they did. In my opinion, what 100 Thieves did is a lot more impressive than United winning the championship.
Yeah, because I mean, they were slated for #1 anyway.
Yeah.
So it's just like, okay, great, they won. But the amount of distance that 100 Thieves had to cover after that first L was incredible.
Oh, bro, that was crazy. That was freaking wild.
And I'm definitely still impressed, and I'm still pretty proud. So.
Hell yeah.
No hard feelings, I guess. I mean, a little bit. But
Alright.
that's natural.
So I'm in the video here. Thank you guys for watching and being with me these past 3 days. If you haven't already, go like my video from yesterday, COD Champs Day 2. Because if I get 50 likes, Face Sensor said he'll play Minecraft with me on a live stream. So do that. Make sure you drop a like.
It's gotta happen.
And I'll see y'all in the next video.